Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Krishna. And today, as you saw in the thumbnail, we're going to be drawing a Labubu. This is how the final turned out. And if you would like to know more, or if you would like to know more about drawing the Labubu, I would tell you to watch this video. So I hope you enjoy and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's begin. First, we're gonna draw the Labubu's nose. It's gonna be a little triangle, an upside down triangle. Kind of looks like a dog's nose. Next, we're gonna be making the eyebrows. So we're gonna make a curved shape here. Make sure your curve has a little point to it, like a little corner. And then we're gonna make another one on this side. Now we're gonna make two, I forgot what these are. Oh, U shapes. 1 and 2. Those are the eyes. Now we're gonna make the inside eyes. We're gonna make the same thing. 1 and 2 U shapes. And then we're gonna add a little shiny to make it highlight more. Now we're gonna make the Labubu's face. We're gonna make a curved line. And we're gonna add 9 teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you're wondering, they look like triangles, so you just make little zigzag lines across the mouth. Now we're gonna make the inside of the Labubu's face. So you basically just need to make a whole oval, like a giant oval shape. Make sure it's not too big. So what I do, I make one curved line here, make it go straight, and then another curved line. There we go. Now I'm gonna make the outside of the Labubu's fur, so it makes it look fluffy. What I usually do to make something fluffy, I usually add zigzag lines, or you can add curvy lines. So I make 2 zigzag lines, and then I just scatter them around, like you'll see. Like over here I'd add some. And basically what I did, I made a little curve shape here. And then I'll just do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now we're gonna finish off the face. So we're basically just tracing over this. So we're gonna add a little zigzag and some more over here. And then we stop till here. If you want to extend those, you can extend those too. Now, our Labubu's gonna have their arms in this type of shape. You know, whenever you're posing for something, your arms touch your hips. We're gonna be making that pose. If you just want to make the arms straight, if you know how to, you could do that too. But that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make one line down on each side. And I'm gonna go to that part later. But right now I'm gonna make the Labubu's belly. So I'm gonna make some zigzag lines over here, or little lines. And then I'm gonna extend those a bit, outwards, like this way. And then I'm gonna make them go a little inwards. Inwards is inside. And then I'm gonna make one line here and another line here. And then make a little curved shape over there. It kind of looks like a smiley face. Now we're gonna be making the little feet. So I think you already noticed, but we already made one leg here and one leg here. So we're just gonna finish that off. And for the Labubu's feet or toes, we're gonna make one zigzag line here, another here, and one here. And then end that curve, end it with the curve. And then we'll just do the same thing on the other side. And that's our Labubu's feet. Now we're gonna be finishing off the hands. We're gonna make some zigzag lines for some fur, and then a straight line going this way. Then we're gonna be making the Labubu's fingertips. We're gonna make one bump here another bump here, and end that off with the curve. And we'll do the same thing here. If you have more room, you could add more fingers. That's what I did, like this side has 2 and that side has 3. So like the other finger's getting covered behind their back. And then I usually like to add a triangle over here. So then it looks like there's a bit of a gap. And now if you would like, you can add a line to make it look like your Labubu's standing on something. And now time for the last part. We're gonna make the inside of the ears. So we're gonna make one curve here and another curve here. The fun thing about Labubus, they're little monsters. I usually think they're bunnies sometimes. And since they're monsters, they have different types of patterns. So like inside of their ears, they have a big triangle. I don't know why. I guess it just looks cute. And now I'm just gonna extend these a little further to look like its body. And we'll do the same thing here. And now we're done. If you want, what I usually do, I usually color it in their eyes. But if you want to make their eyes a different color, that's fine. Okay, now you're officially done with your Labubu. Now it's just time to color. I'm gonna tell you that if you can color your Labubu any way you want. I'm gonna color mine yellow, orange, and pink. And you can color it a different way if you'd like. And just to let you know that I'm gonna fast forward this part. So make sure if you would like to pause the video at this time so you can catch up on my art.